This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Tuesday, August the 20th. I'm James Spann. Very classic summer afternoon. Hit and miss storms. Warm and kind of muggy across the state. We'll check some of the Skycam shots. We'll start with the Skycam coming from Trussville. Some ominous-looking clouds there. Got some rain not too far away. It is raining at our Jasper Skycam at the time this image was captured. Heavier core of that shower just north of downtown Jasper. They've cooled down into the 70s. And there's the Alabama Gulf Coast, as seen from the Skycam down at Gulf Shores on top of the Phoenix All Suites. They had a thunderstorm earlier today. The sky is brightening now. And if you're beachbound, pretty decent weather, fairly decent amount of sunshine each day through the weekend with your classic chance of scattered showers and storms. There's the big picture. The core of the westerly winds aloft are well to the north of here over Canada. There is a weak trough north of the state. A lot of moist air in place, and we have these scattered showers and storms. That was the radar captured at 2:42. And at that point, most of the heavier rain was falling north of Interstate 20. It is random. It's scattered. Some folks getting soaked. Other folks, no rain at all. That's the way it works on summer afternoons around here. Where the storms are around, you got 70s, like in Gadsden and Cullman, but most other locations are in the 80s. Birmingham at 86. We'll expect highs in the mid to upper 80s through midweek. On the watch warning map, pretty quiet. Still flash flood watches for the southeastern corner of Alabama and parts of central and south Georgia. A heat advisory up north for parts of Minnesota and Wisconsin. Severe weather not expected for the rest of today and tonight. Then a slight risk tomorrow, well to the north of here. Rain for the next 5 days, valid through Sunday morning. Nothing under the upper high for Oklahoma City, Wichita, Little Rock, Dallas, Fort Worth. Around here, the amounts expected to be heavier east and south of where we are. In the tropics, once again, very, very quiet. This is the GFS, the 12Z run, valid at 1 o'clock local time tomorrow afternoon at 500 millibars. Got the upper high to the east, upper high to the west, a weakness in here. And again, tomorrow should be a lot like today. A mix of sun and clouds, scattered showers and storms. Highs mid, maybe upper 80s. Better chance of rain during the afternoon, although a morning shower can't be ruled out. There's the high-res NAM, valid at 4 o'clock tomorrow, showing the scattered showers and storms. This is Thursday, pretty much the same deal. Scattered mostly afternoon storms, although there's evidence the coverage might begin to decrease a little bit as the heights come up and the air aloft gets warmer. Go to Friday. Looking relatively dry, and again, we've got several things happening. First off, the heights aloft are coming up. Number two, we've got a surface boundary north of us around the Louisville area with that nice dry air mass over the UP of Michigan. We'll keep an eye on that. That boundary might try and push some type of line of storms in here late Friday or Friday night, but I think maybe a decent part of the day Friday will be dry. This is Saturday as we start the weekend. The dominant player becomes the upper high over Kansas. And down below that, drier air tries to work in here, that 1025 high. But still, we're not going to leave out the chance of scattered showers and storms with a boundary just north of here. And, of course, the question is, can the boundary push south of here? Rarely happens in August. This is Sunday. The GFS is showing drier air from Birmingham north and east with moist air to the south and west. And again, I'm just not so sure the dry air gets that deep into the state. We'll keep the chance of scattered showers going on Sunday. Now, Monday of next week shows very dry air settling in here. That would be mostly sunny. Nights a little cooler, lower humidity. Lows drop in the 60s, highs in the 80s, and the same thing on Tuesday. There's no guarantee this happens. That's kind of anomalous for August, but then again, it's been kind of an odd summer. So we'll see if that can happen. But if this run is right, we'd have no rain on Monday and Tuesday. Nights cooler, lower humidity. We'll check the end of the forecast, September 5th. We've got broad troughing over the eastern part of Canada, ridging over the western part of Canada, and down below that, pretty typical weather for us and some type of tropical mischief in the Atlantic. But, of course, at that position and latitude, more than likely that would be a recurving storm if by chance something like that actually developed. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And if you can, watch us on ABC 3340 News, the live stream or the television side at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.